You're gonna have to like put your head like super sideways to get in here.
Super sideways?
Well, that's what I did.
God damn it. So where are you taking me? Oh, my foot's stuck.
China.
China? Why?
I hate how this like thing is like.
Minnie! Yeah. Minnie. Get the seagull! It's coming for us! Hit it! Hit it! Car's rolling! Holy shit!
I just saw a chicken.
Yeah, it's right there, isn't it? Fuck, fuck. It's really hot.
I know, I was saying that earlier.
Have a plate.
Yeah.
Present.
I'm gonna go on that boat.
Oh. I wanted it to be water.
Why isn't this thing working?
Aw, that sucks.
Aw.
Oh wait.
No. But we can.
So you're the reason why the Titanic sank. You are a terrible boat driver. SOS is too late. You already hit the freaking iceberg. Were you listening?
Me.